Just when drone enthusiasts were starting to fully explore the features of DJI's Neo 2, a flood of leaks revealed something far bigger and more ambitious. The upcoming DJI Avata 360 promises to redefine what's possible in drone filmmaking and FPV experiences. For the first time, DJI is merging a full 360 degrees camera system with a switchable FPV drone, all in a single machine. Early images sparked confusion, with some thinking the photos showed an Avata 3 prototype. In reality, these were the Avata 360 captured in FPV mode, cleverly designed with a rotating gimbal that hides the bottom lens, keeping the 360 degrees camera under wraps until DJI's official reveal. This hybrid design feels like a natural evolution for DJI. After dominating both compact 360 cameras and high-performance FPV drones, combining these worlds allows creators to switch seamlessly between immersive 360 degrees filming and fast, agile FPV flight. With its innovative dual-mode system, cutting-edge AI stitching, and advanced flight features, the Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drones DJI has ever created. From cinematic adventures to high-speed action shots, this drone is set to elevate creativity to a whole new level, giving pilots an unprecedented toolkit for capturing every angle and every moment with precision. The DJI Avata 360 is designed to function in two powerful modes, offering versatility that could appeal to both FPV enthusiasts and cinematic creators. In 360 degrees mode, both lenses point outward, one upward, one downward, capturing the environment completely, creating immersive, invisible drone effects. Switch to FPV mode, and the gimbal rotates to reveal a forward-facing lens optimized for dynamic, fast-paced flying. This dual functionality opens the door to a completely new category of drone experiences, merging traditional FPV thrills with fully immersive 360 degrees storytelling. At the heart of the Avata 360 lies impressive camera technology. Each lens reportedly delivers a 180 degrees field of view with 4K resolution, stitched together using AI algorithms to produce 8K 360 degrees footage. This means creators can achieve ultra-high-resolution immersive videos without the need for complex post-processing. FPV mode may capture 5K video at 60 frames per second and 30 megapixel stills, while panoramic images in 360 degrees mode could reach up to 120 megapixels. These specs are a significant leap for action sports enthusiasts, filmmakers, and content creators seeking professional-grade results from a single device. Storage and data management have been upgraded to match this level of performance. Internal storage is reportedly 128 gigabytes, with support for micro SD cards, ensuring that pilots have enough capacity to handle heavy 360 degrees files and high-resolution photos. To complement its visual capabilities, the drone will use DJI's 04 Plus transmission system, extending its range up to 20 kilometers while slightly increasing flight time to around 25 minutes. A welcome improvement for extended sessions in the air. Safety and obstacle avoidance remain priorities. In FPV mode, the Avata 360 reportedly uses a combination of front LiDAR, rear optical sensors, and bottom infrared sensors to detect and avoid obstacles automatically. In 360 degrees mode, the lenses themselves may serve as an omnidirectional sensing system, offering detection capabilities in every direction. Advanced subject tracking, inspired by DJI's Mini 5 and Neo 2, ensures smooth focus and framing, even during high-speed maneuvers or complex environments. DJI is planning multiple configuration options to cater to different users. Basic bundles will allow creators to experience the drone's capabilities, while FPV focus sets include motion controllers, goggles, and extra batteries for extended sessions. Manual FPV operation will require the FPV Controller 3, which is sold separately. These options make the Avata 360 a flexible tool for both casual enthusiasts and serious professionals looking for maximum control. The hybrid nature of the drone also emphasizes the learning curve. Editing 360 degrees footage requires a powerful computer and software knowledge, while FPV flying demands practice and skill to master safely. Yet for those willing to invest the time, the creative possibilities are vast. The Avata 360 blends speed, precision, and immersive visual storytelling like never before, creating opportunities for innovative aerial cinematography, immersive virtual reality experiences, and extreme sports documentation. From a design perspective, DJI continues its tradition of thoughtful engineering. The gimbal cleverly protects the bottom lens during FPV flight, preventing damage while maintaining stealthy aesthetics. Every component seems meticulously planned, from weight distribution to internal material enhancements, ensuring that even with new capabilities, the drone remains stable, responsive, and manageable. The combination of AI-driven imaging, advanced tracking, and dual-mode flight makes the Avatar 360 a remarkable evolution in DJI's lineup, bridging the gap between professional filmmaking tools and FPV performance drones. The DJI Avatar 360 is shaping up to be a revolutionary addition to the world of drones. With its ability to switch seamlessly between full 360 degrees capture and high-speed FPV flight, it opens doors to new creative possibilities that were previously unimaginable. Whether you're looking to shoot cinematic panoramic videos, document extreme sports, or experiment with immersive content, this drone promises to deliver the tools and versatility required to push boundaries. Safety, performance, and innovative design converge in a single device, offering advanced obstacle detection, precise tracking, and AI-enhanced imaging for creators who demand more from their gear. While mastering the Avatar 360 may require some practice and editing expertise, the rewards are immense, from breathtaking visuals to unique storytelling angles. DJI is setting a new benchmark in drone technology, and the Avatar 360 is poised to lead the charge into a future where creativity, immersion, and speed coexist effortlessly. For the latest updates and in-depth looks at this incredible new drone, stay tuned to Technify, your hub for everything cutting-edge in tech and aerial innovation. The sky has never looked this exciting.